Well, it feels really great to open the doors again for Universal Studios Hollywood. Part of the LA comeback story, we're back.
I really missed being here at Universal Studios Hollywood, and I really felt safe here.
The energy in the park is electric. And you can see it in their faces. They are just having a great time.
We decided to come to Universal Studios as a family for my 40th birthday.
I like that the kids are so happy and alive coming out of the pandemic. This is the best thing for them.
When walking through those front gates again, just seeing the smiles on everybody's faces brings joy to everybody.
It's really nice to be back at Universal Studios. I missed it.
I totally missed being here. We just couldn't wait to be back.
So welcome back to Universal Studios Hollywood. We've rolled out the red carpet for you. We hope to see you soon.
The best day ever.
Universal Studios is back.